Lunch walleye, if I can get it. Walleye tacos for lunch. We'll go through the middle, I guess? Yeah? Nope. I like that. Oh, your babies. Sorry. Got really bad wind gusts, like I say 40 miles per hour. And like, I always look out for widow makers. They're all kind of cracking and creeping. Are you gonna follow me? See. You protect me, right? From that bad tree if he falls? Yeah, alright. 2 trees just fell. A huge storm came through for about 15 seconds. There's one of the trees right there that just fell. And mosquitoes all over me. Gee, I have so many bites. It's crazy. When you're traveling, especially as far as I go, you gotta pace yourself. Because if you get to where you are and your arms and legs are destroyed, then you're not gonna... how I catch the large northern and large walleye that I do is I troll. And I troll with large lures for 8 to 10 hours a day. I'm not kidding you. 8 to 10 hours a day. And I might get 0. I have a few times gotten 0.